Apple just announced the next iPhone operating system iOS 17 at its Worldwide Developers Conference. And here are all the supported devices. iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, and iPhone SE. iOS 17 will bring loads of cool features including voice note transcription, live stickers and check-in, which lets loved ones know when you've arrived at your destination. One of the most exciting additions is FaceTime voicemail, which allows you to record a short video or audio message when someone misses your call. There is also a new app called Journal, which is your own personal diary, offering a new way to appreciate life's moments and preserve your memories. If you have one of the supported devices, you will be able to download the new operating system when it releases in September 2023. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.